Hello, Glam fam. Welcome back to the channel. A big thank you to all of my subscribers. And we are going to go ahead and pick a winner for today's giveaway or this week's giveaway, last week's giveaway, whatever, guys, our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I want to thank all of you who entered. You guys are the fuel that keeps me going in this channel. So thank you for your comments on this video and any video that you ever commented on. And of course, thank you so much for subscribing. So let's go ahead and paste in the video. We're going to filter duplicate comments. We're going to solve this, and we are going to get our comments, 16. Now we scroll down and we're going to pick our first winner, which will get one of the 6-piece sets. And that is J-X5E2K. You have 5 days from today. So by the 5th, I guess really that's by the 6th. By the 6th, you need to email me. And all of that information will be in the description. If any of the winners do not contact me, I will pick new winners, and they will have 5 days to contact me. Oh, download result as an image, please. Story is fine. Thank you. Okay, that way I don't forget, right? Okay, now we want to do a second one. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I've never had to do 2 winners before. No. Pick a new winner. There we go. Okay, now for the second 6-piece set, we have Eliza Travis dash QP or Q4P. Wow, guys. Look at me, speaking normally. I am going to download that one. And then let's pick another winner. And this winner will be for the grand prize giveaway, which is the 42-piece gel set. I still don't know how to say that. Gowie? You guys let me know. But let's go ahead and see who is going to be getting that lovely prize. And that is Claire Potts 7106. I recognize that name because Claire is a friend to the channel and we love all of her comments. So Claire, I'm so excited that you are going to be getting this prize. I want to just honestly thank all of you guys for entering. Congratulations to the winners of the giveaway of the prizes. I hope you guys enjoy them. Please, if you create as well, tag us when you create something with those. Not every time, of course, but maybe when you do an unboxing or whatever, because we would love to see your videos. We would love to see what you do with the prizes. So, or even just come back and let us know, I love that stuff. I love doing the giveaway. So actually the interaction with you guys through the giveaways is one of my favorite parts. So again, thank you guys all for entering. Congratulations to our 3 winners. And we are going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.